Breaking AI news. Figure AI just revealed a $2.6 billion master plan to build a fleet of humanoid robots, and experts are calling it the birth of a robot workforce revolution. Are we witnessing the rise of a real-world robot army? Is this the beginning of AGI in physical form? And why is Amazon, Microsoft, and OpenAI getting involved? Stick with us, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why this moment is being called the iPhone moment for robotics. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. We bring you the fastest and most shocking AI news first. Let's go! Figure AI is the brainchild of Brett Adcock, a serial founder with a vision to create humanoid robots that can do human labor. Their flagship creation? A sleek, walking, talking android named Figure 01. Unlike clunky old robotics, Figure's humanoids are fully electric, agile, designed for real-world jobs, factories, warehouses, even homes. And now, they've just secured $675 million in funding, pushing their total valuation over $2.6 billion. Here's what that $2.6 billion plan looks like. Mass production of humanoid robots, commercial deployment in retail and logistics, partnerships with OpenAI to power intelligence, Amazon-style supply chain integration. The goal to replace humans in physical jobs, safely, efficiently, and permanently. And they're already piloting Figure robots inside BMW's US factories. Let's break it down. Figure 01 is designed to mimic human motion with real-time AI decision-making. It can walk on uneven terrain, identify objects and people, perform pick-and-place tasks, hold full conversations, powered by OpenAI's models. This isn't sci-fi, this is today, and they're improving fast. With every great innovation comes serious concerns. Some fear massive job displacement. 2. Ethical misuse in defense or surveillance. 3. Lack of safety laws around humanoid AI. Even Elon Musk warned, the rise of AGI-powered robotics must be handled with extreme caution. Figure says they're building ethically, but the scale is raising eyebrows. This part is critical. OpenAI, the creators of GPT-4 and GPT-5, are officially partnering with Figure to bring language, planning, and reasoning into robots. That means the same intelligence behind ChatGPT now lives inside robots that can physically move. This could be the first true AGI with a body. Let that sink in. Figure 01 is powered by multimodal AI, vision plus language plus motion, reinforcement learning from simulation, OpenAI's large language models for complex communication, onboard sensors and cameras for full environment mapping. It's a blend of GPT, robotics, and computer vision, all rolled into one humanoid frame. It's not just automation, it's intelligence in motion. Figure 01 is being trained to work in 1. Retail, stocking shelves. 2. Warehousing, lifting, sorting. 3. Elder care and home assistance. 4. Basic manufacturing tasks. By 2026, they expect to deploy thousands. The big question is, will these robots replace or assist workers? Let us know in the comments. Governments are watching this closely. China's DeepSeek Robotics has accelerated its own humanoid programs. Japan's Toyota AI labs are racing to match Figure's real-world abilities. Meanwhile, the US Defense Department is quietly monitoring this tech. The world sees this as more than innovation. It's the beginning of a robotics race. Here's what critics fear. Autonomous robots being hacked, facial recognition used for mass surveillance, AI-powered decisions without human oversight. Experts are calling for AI ethics boards, government regulation, transparency in training data and robot behavior. Because once they're out, it's hard to hit undo. Whether you're a worker, developer, business owner, or just a tech fan, this news affects your future. Will your job be assisted or replaced? Can you build a business around humanoid AI tools? Are we entering the AI physical age? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We read everyone. Figure AI just dropped the biggest bomb in robotics history. $2.6 billion, a full robot workforce. OpenAI's brain inside moving bodies. The AI war is no longer just software, it's physical now. Subscribe to AI Horizon Daily for daily AI updates, exclusive insider scoops, and real-time leaks before anyone else. Hit that bell icon. You do not want to miss what's next. See you in the next AI alert.